here with the azimuth axis, and all our parameters are looking good. And let's take a walk over here and low and the hold. Look at that. We have motion. It's alive. Running single axis tests on the bench here. We've been able to validate the motion. Got decent torque. I can't stop it easily, at least. And woohoo! Been a long time coming, but still got a ways to go.